Guangzhou Penbo Display Products Company Limited has been steadily advancing in the industry with quality as our cornerstone. We initially specialized in shelving systems for supermarket and warehouse. In 2003, we established our first dedicated showcase production base. This milestone allowed us to forge long-term OEM partnerships with renowned international brands such as Michael Kors and H&M. By 2015, we had built a global sales team and developed comprehensive online and offline consulting and sales platforms. The years 2024-2025 mark another significant leap forward, with the establishment of our first overseas branch in the United States and the simultaneous expansion of our manufacturing facilities with the addition of production base number 2. From 1999 to 2025, we have witnessed and contributed to the evolution of display showcases and the innovation of customized retail solutions. Our product range has grown increasingly comprehensive, now covering showcase, display racks, counters, full retail shop solutions. Today, we operate 2 showcase production bases spanning a total of 35,000 square meters. Our facilities are equipped with ND modern metalworking capabilities, CNC machine, press brake, punching machine, laser cutter, wood and alley processing departments. Advanced painting facilities featuring 3-sided vortex spray booths, dust-free clean rooms, negative